Hello friends, welcome to my channel English with Vishal sir. So I hope you are all doing well and learning this language in a great way. So in this video I am going to share an interesting thing. So the thing is that the chatgpt app. Do you know about chatgpt app? Who are learning this language? Most of them know about the chatgpt app. But I right now I am using this app. So after using this app I got some knowledge from the app. So I should to know you about this app, because who are new or who are struggling to learn this language properly. So actually, if you don't know anything about English knowledge, so before using this app, you have to know, or you should know some grammars of English language. If you don't know anything about English knowledge and using starting to use the app of ChatGPT, you will not you will not get benefit from this app, because you you can't use the app properly. So before using this app, who are new in this field, please learn some English grammars like tense and parts of speech and verbal agreement chapters. Then you come here and use the ChatGPT app. Definitely the app will help you a lot. So I should I want to say one more thing, that you have to be perseverant and you have to be patient in this field. I don't know uh, what are what are thinking about me for speaking in front of camera. I I don't think uh, about this, because I am learning to speak in this language properly, and I am trying to be fluent in this language. So doesn't matter if someone thinks about you, how you are speaking in this language. So don't care about this. You only keep the perseverance and struggle, and you should struggle or try to learn this language properly. So I hope you have got my points about the ChatGPT app and some knowledge. So who are new on my channel, please do like, comment, share and subscribe. Okay, I will meet you in the next session. Okay, tata, bye.